Why your child might need assistive technology. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute legal or medical advice. If your child has extreme difficulty getting their schoolwork done and you think assistive technology might help, this video is for you. I'm Michelle Kotler. For over 30 years, I've been a special education teacher, school administrator, and lawyer, helping thousands of children get the education they need. If you're frustrated, anxious, and even burned out trying to get your child an appropriate education, this channel is for you. For some children, getting their schoolwork done on time isn't just difficult, it's a battle. Today, I'm diving into an important topic that can make a big difference in your child's education: assistive technology under the IDEA, the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act. The IDEA is a federal law in the United States, which means it applies to every public school system in every state, the District of Columbia, Puerto Rico, and even Guam. Please leave a comment and tell me where you're watching from. The IDEA applies to all children from birth to age 21. This law says if your child is eligible for special education, the public schools must provide assistive technology as needed to make progress. So, what exactly is assistive technology? Simply put, assistive technology, or AT, refers to tools and devices designed to support individuals with disabilities, helping them perform tasks that might otherwise be difficult. This can range from something as simple as a pencil grip to something as advanced as a speech-generating device. Communication boards made of cardboard and pictures are low-tech examples of AT, ranging up to advanced iPad applications and other high-tech devices such as special computers, software, learning aids, eye gaze trackers, wheelchairs, power lifts, and much more. Assistive technology can support kids in various areas such as communication, learning, mobility, and daily living. It's all about finding the right tools that match your child's unique needs. Today's focus on technology for all children has been a wonderful development for children with special needs. First, they have more access to education today than ever before due to a wide and ever-expanding range of technology. Second, they blend in with their non-disabled peers. Who doesn't have a smartphone with apps on it or access to a desktop or a laptop computer? For example, dictation apps relieve students of the burden to take notes in class, which has been a major barrier to educational access, even for college students. Let's talk about how assistive technology can make a difference. For children with speech or language challenges, devices like communication boards or speech-generating apps can be game changers. They allow your child to express themselves, which is crucial for their social development, learning, and confidence. In school, AT can help kids stay on track with their peers. For example, text-to-speech software can assist children who struggle with reading by allowing them to listen to the content instead. This way, they can focus on understanding the material rather than getting stuck on the mechanics of reading. However, I would caution you as a parent not to rely exclusively or to allow the school to rely exclusively on the use of AT to read for your child as a substitute for teaching your child to read independently. AT should be a supplement to, not a substitute for, research-based reading instruction and other interventions. Even in daily life, simple tools like visual schedules or apps that remind your child of their routine can make a big difference in their independence. Choosing the right assistive technology. Choosing the right assistive technology can feel overwhelming, but you don't have to do it alone. Start by consulting with your child's teachers, therapists, and doctors. They can help assess your child's needs and recommend appropriate tools. The public schools are legally obligated to identify your child's AT needs, provide the AT to your child, and support the use of the device. As a parent, it is very important to ensure the school's AT process is done correctly. Because if not, this can result in a frustrating waste of time in which your child has a device they cannot use. Remember, assistive technology is there to make things easier, not more stressful. If something isn't working, don't hesitate to reach out for help or explore other options. As a thank you for watching this far, I'm making a special offer available to you. If you've attended special education meetings, you're familiar with that 40-page book that you probably never read and that you could wallpaper your house with, called Procedural Safeguards. These are your rights as a parent of a child with special needs. I've created a one-page guide that summarizes your procedural safeguards in language that is easy to understand. All you need to do is go to parentsplaybook.org and request your free guide. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of how assistive technology can support your child. Trying to advocate for your child when the system seems stacked against you is enormously frustrating, especially when everyone else in the room has more knowledge about the system than you do. That's why I'm committed to giving you the knowledge and tools to help you make meaningful progress. Every day you wait is another wasted day of education that your child cannot get back. If you're serious about doing whatever it takes to unlock your child's potential, my online masterclass, The Parents Playbook for Special Education Success, will teach you about special education law and how to advocate for your child. You'll even learn how to take your school district to a due process hearing without a lawyer. Here's a dirty little secret. I've met parents who've spent between $40,000 and $100,000 on legal fees for due process hearings and lost their cases anyway. Having a lawyer doesn't guarantee a victory, but it does guarantee you'll be substantially poorer at the end of the case. Parents don't need a lawyer to take their school system to a due process hearing, but you do need to learn how to do it correctly. Transform your frustration into competence. If you appreciate this information and want to support my work, kindly consider buying me a coffee. The link is in the description below. Every penny is truly appreciated and allows me to continue with my mission to support as many parents as possible. Please like, subscribe, and share this content with other parents who want to help their children. Follow the Parents Playbook for Special Education Success on Facebook and on Instagram under PP4SBS. Leave a comment and tell me what special education questions you have so I can create future content that answers them. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.